In today's video, I'm going to show you OwnCloud versus Nextcloud versus Seafile versus Syncthing, the best cloud storage between them. The battle between OwnCloud, Nextcloud, Seafile, and Syncthing for the title of Best Self-Hosted Cloud Storage Platform really comes down to what you value most: feature richness, speed, collaboration, or simplicity. Nextcloud is the most popular and arguably the most complete platform among them. It's not just about file syncing. It's a full-blown collaboration suite with features like calendars, contacts, video calls via talk, end-to-end encryption, and integrations with OnlyOffice or Collabora for document editing. It's particularly attractive to businesses and teams that want to run their own private alternative to Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. The ecosystem around it is vast, with hundreds of official and third-party apps, and it's continuously updated with a strong focus on privacy and security. OwnCloud, from which Nextcloud originally forked, still remains a viable option, especially for enterprises. It has modernized in recent years with faster file handling using a Go-based file backend, infinite scale, and it's beginning to emphasize performance and scalability more than its cousin. However, it's now more focused on enterprise-grade deployments and has fewer free features for personal users compared to Nextcloud. Seafile takes a different route, focusing heavily on performance and efficiency. It's lighter and faster than both Nextcloud and OwnCloud when it comes to file syncing, and it uses a block-level syncing mechanism which makes transferring large files and syncing changes significantly quicker. Seafile also includes basic file sharing, permissions, versioning, and encrypted libraries, but it doesn't aim to be a groupware platform. It's more of a Dropbox alternative than a full collaboration suite. Syncthing isn't a traditional cloud solution at all. Instead of centralized cloud storage, it's a decentralized peer-to-peer file syncing system. Files stay on your devices and are synced directly between them with no central server unless you choose to host one for convenience. It's great for users who care about total control, privacy, and avoiding cloud dependency, but it lacks features like a web interface, file previews, or team collaboration tools out of the box. It's simple, effective, and respected in the open source world for its transparency. So, it's not about which is best overall, it's about which fits your priorities best. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.